Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome candidate number 5, Jenny Rose Palabrica. Good evening, Jenny.
Good evening, sir.
Now, of course, I cannot ignore the humongous crowd we have right here from this side. All for you. Any words of love for your supporters?
Okay, so I would like to take this opportunity to greet my supporters, my classmates. I can hear you guys, and I appreciate all your support, especially those my classmates who traveled far. Thank you so much. And also to my family, I know you're there. I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me here.
Yes. I think all of them will have sore throat after tonight's pageant. That's how much they love you, Jenny. So now, of course, Jenny, I know that Miss Bais, for any Baisangan woman, the experience alone is already, an achievement. And as this is going to be a core memory for you, how would you describe your Miss Bais 2025 experience in just one word, and why?
If I were to describe my experience in Miss Bais 2025, it would be transformed. Why? Because as a first-timer, I never thought that I can do this. I never thought that I can stand here on stage because I was used to watching the last Miss Bais 2025, and I can't imagine that I can do this.
And you are here. You are
Yes.
here. You have definitely transformed and you are having the time of your life.
Yes.
Yes, so Jenny, of course, it's now time for your question. Please pick one of our 6 remaining questions. I'll read the question twice, so listen carefully. Abortion is strongly opposed, especially by the Catholic Church. Do you think abortion should be legalized? Again, abortion is strongly opposed, especially by the Catholic Church. Do you think abortion should be legalized?
I believe that every human has the right to live. And so therefore, I can't say, and I won't agree to this, that abortion should be legalized. Because as a human, we have the right to see the world. We have the right to live life. And we have the right to experience life to its fullest. That will be all. Thank you.
Well done. Thank you so much. Candidate number 5, Jenny Rose Palabrica.